Okay, we're looking at the first two pages of Chapter 2 in La Universidad, and we're talking about vocabulary in the theme of the university. When you look at a lot of these words, they are what we call cognates, meaning they are words that look and sound like words in English and have the same meaning. And the reason for this specific topic of La Universidad is that most of these words have Latin roots, and both Spanish and English are rooted in the language of Latin, or the ancient language of Latin. And so we have that connection, which makes Spanish a nice language to learn because there's a lot of connections between Spanish and English. Notice also when you're looking at the words that are to do with classes, that a lot of them are words that are feminine. So words that start with the article la, okay, meaning that they are feminine. And the reason for this is that they actually have feminine endings. There's no other reason than that they're feminine endings, like biología, for example, las ciencias. Both of them end with a, which makes them feminine. All right, so just be aware of that. And also, when you're looking at these words, you want to look at la historia, las humanidades, el inglés, las lenguas extranjeras. These are all to do with courses of study. So las materias, when we look up here, las materias is actually a false cognate because it looks like materials, but we're actually referring to courses. Las materias can mean materials, but in this case, it's referring to courses. And when you look at your test, you want to remember that las materias is referring to courses as well as materials in other contexts. But in the context of La Universidad, we're talking about courses. Also notice the vocabulary that's in the picture. We have el reloj, which is clock. La ventana is window. El estudiante, student. And notice el estudiante, meaning a male student. La puerta, la profesora, la mesa, la calculadora, la pluma. La pluma meaning pen, and pluma can also mean feather. So that original pen that was made with a feather is where we get that from. Mochila is referring to backpack. Escritorio is a desk. La mesa is a table, so we can call a desk a table also, but el escritorio is just a desk. Papelera is a waste paper basket. La tiza is chalk, which we don't see very often in classrooms anymore. La pizarra can refer to a blackboard or a whiteboard. El mapa, notice that mapa ends with a but is masculine, so this is an exception to the rule of the a ending. El papel is referring to paper. El borrador is the eraser, okay? And la silla is the chair. If you go to the next pages 38 and 39, we're looking at los días de la semana, which are the days of the week. And in Spanish, the first day of the week is lunes, which is Monday. So just be aware of that Monday starts the calendar in the Spanish-speaking world. So lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. And sábado y domingo are el fin de semana, or the weekend. El fin meaning end, so el fin de semana meaning weekend.